Hi, my name is Steven. Welcome to WpLifestyle. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the media offline in DaVinci Resolve. I'm not sure if this is going to fix the problem for everyone, but this is what works for me, and I'm going to show you what I do and how I fix the problem. So hopefully this works for you as well. If it doesn't, please leave a comment in the comment section below. So without wasting too much of your time, let's get started. So here you can see that I'm inside the DaVinci Resolve, and you can see that I have a clip here, and this particular clip here is offline and this one is online. The reason why this is happening is because DaVinci Resolve cannot read the path. So wherever this video is saved in your computer, DaVinci Resolve cannot read that path. So to fix this problem, the first thing you need to do is to make sure that your DaVinci Resolve is updated to the latest version. So what you need to do is to go over here inside the DaVinci Resolve and click on this DaVinci Resolve over here. And then here you can click on check for updates. So if there's any updates available, you're going to see that inside here. You can see that my own is up to date. So I don't need to do any update, but I'm still getting this media offline thing. So what we need to do now is to check the part where this is saved to make sure that DaVinci Resolve can read it. I know before you can actually go into the media pool over here, and then you can select this particular video, and you can click on relink over here, and then you can relink the clip, or you can just change the source folder just to make sure that everything is in the same folder. That's fine, but that is not going to fix the problem if these two videos are in completely different folders. So you want to make sure that all the videos that you're actually editing are all in the same folder. So let me show you what I mean here. So you can see here that I have this video. So inside this folder right now, DaVinci Resolve is reading this sample folder, right? So the only video that I can read is this one right here, even though these two folders here. So I have this folder here called comment below, and then I have this one called please subscribe. That's something funny, but it's okay. Anyways, so this two folder, it's inside this sample folder, right? So even though this sample folder contains the other video, so if I open this one, if I open this please subscribe, you can see that I have the other video that is offline inside here, and you can see that this video is also inside the sample folder, which means if DaVinci Resolve is reading this folder, which means it should be able to find everything inside this sample folder, including what is inside this subscribe folder. But with the latest update with DaVinci Resolve, it doesn't work like that anymore. So you have to make sure that all the video files are located in the same folder, not in a folder inside a folder. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know if I'm explaining myself very well, but let me show you what I mean. So here you can see that this file here, let me go back to my edit tab here. So we have this here, you can see the edit tab. This is the file that is still active, which is this one here. DaVinci Resolve can still read this file because it's located inside this sample folder, and the sample folder is what DaVinci Resolve is reading over here. But inside this sample folder, we have please subscribe, and inside this please subscribe, I have this file that is offline right now, but DaVinci Resolve cannot read it. I don't know why. It used to before, but it doesn't. So to fix this problem, all you really need to do is to drag this file and put it inside this sample folder. So you don't need to relink it or do anything. So check this out. So if I drag this and put it inside this sample folder, now you can see that this will automatically fix itself, right? You can see right now that it can read the file and problem is fixed already. So if you want to use the folder inside a folder, like for example, inside this sample folder, if you want to use this subscribe, please subscribe folder here. So you want to make sure that all the files are inside this please subscribe folder, and then you want to select this please subscribe folder as your main folder for that video files, so that DaVinci Resolve can read it properly. So let me give you an example. So let me take these two files, and then I'm going to drop them inside here. Now, once I put them inside here and go back here, you can see that these two files are now offline. So if I go over here to media pool, and then I can select these two folder by just clicking Ctrl A, I can highlight everything. And if I go back here, I can click change source folder. So from here, you can see that we have source folder. So we want to change this from the sample folder. This is the sample folder. We want to change it to the please subscribe folder. So all you really need to do is to select that folder. Okay, now you can see that I have the folder right here. So I'm changing this from sample folder to sample folder / please subscribe. So this is where the files are located now. So I'm going to change this to that folder. So once I click change, this might not work for everyone, but I think 90% of the case this actually works. This is the method that I've been using. I've not been using the relink method or anything. So if this works out for you, please let me know in the comment section below. And if it doesn't work out for you, please also let me know in the comment section below. If you have a method that actually works better, that works for you every time, please also leave that in the comment section below so that other people can use that method to solve this problem. I don't know why this is happening. So I've been getting this media offline recently a lot in DaVinci Resolve. So if this video was helpful for you and you like it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.